If today is your very first day using Temu, don't do what I did. I downloaded the app, got excited, and immediately started tapping on everything. Within 10 minutes, I had watched 3 different tutorials, copied random coupon codes from the comments, and had absolutely no idea which advice was actually useful. So I decided to start over, this time with a simple plan. The first thing I changed was surprisingly small. Before I browsed products, before I opened the free gift page, before I added anything to my cart, I activated the code on the screen. That became my starting point. Then I explored the app normally, no rushing, no chasing every flashy offer, just taking a few minutes to see what was actually available. That's when I started noticing something different. Instead of the basic offers I'd seen before, I regularly found larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section. At first, I assumed it was just beginner luck, so I tested it again. I created another shopping session and tried a few random codes from older videos. The difference was easy to notice. Those sessions felt much more ordinary. The code on the screen consistently gave me the stronger overall setup before I even started shopping. That completely changed the way I recommend Temu to new users. You don't need to memorize complicated tricks. You don't need to spend hours hunting for hidden methods. You just need to start the right way. Now let's keep this realistic. Temu updates its promotions regularly, so different accounts can receive different offers. No one can honestly promise the exact same rewards for everyone, but if you're a brand new user and you want to give yourself the best possible start, here's the routine I still follow today. Start with the code on the screen. Browse naturally, compare the offers you receive, and ignore the endless list of random codes floating around online. For me, that simple habit consistently led to better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, and more free gift opportunities than the other methods I tried. My advice to every new user: your first few minutes on Temu matter more than you think. Don't waste them jumping from one secret trick to another. Build a better starting point, then let the app do the rest. That's the biggest lesson I learned after testing it myself. If you're brand new to Temu, activate the code on the screen before you explore the app. Then come back and tell me what your first coupon bundles and free gift offers looked like.